In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the Farah app into your Shopify store and start managing reviews effectively. Our journey begins by navigating to the Apps section of your Shopify store. This is where you can manage all your current apps and explore new ones to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar, type in Farah. Once you see the Farah app in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a new page where you can begin the installation process. At this stage, you might be prompted to confirm the installation once more. This is simply a precautionary step to ensure that you really want to add this app to your store. Confirm the installation, and in just a few moments, Farah will be part of your toolset. Next, you'll need to set up an account with Farah. This is an essential step that allows you to access all the features the app offers. Choose a plan that best suits your business needs. If you're not ready to commit just yet, you can opt for a free trial. It's a great way to explore the app's capabilities without any upfront investment. After selecting a plan, you'll be asked to enter your payment method. This is standard procedure, even if you're starting with a free trial. Once you've input your details, you'll need to approve the transaction to move forward. This ensures that everything is set up correctly and you're all ready to go. With the installation complete and your account up and running, it's time to start actively managing your reviews. In the Farah app dashboard, you'll notice an option to add a review. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several choices. You have the flexibility to import existing reviews, craft new ones, or even reach out directly to your customers to request reviews. This versatility is one of Farah's key strengths, allowing you to engage with your customers in a variety of ways. Now, to make the most out of Farah, it's important to connect your Amazon account to your Shopify store. This integration streamlines the process, enabling you to consolidate reviews from different platforms. Follow the prompts provided by Farah to link your Amazon account seamlessly. The integration usually involves logging into your Amazon seller account and granting the necessary permissions to Farah. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance your ability to manage customer feedback across platforms. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing reviews with Farah on Shopify. This integration not only helps build customer trust, but also contributes to making informed business decisions. With Farah, you'll have the tools you need to take your Shopify store to the next level. Happy selling?